The proposed Greater Bengaluru Integrated Township project, planned across 7,481 acres between Bidadi and Harohalli in Bengaluru South District at an estimated cost of 18,000 crore rupees, has sparked political opposition, with BJP and JDS leaders urging Congress leader Rahul Gandhi to intervene and stop the land acquisition process. The project is being promoted as India's first AI-powered integrated township. Karnataka BJP President Vijayendra wrote to Rahul Gandhi urging him to direct the Karnataka government to halt what he described as the forced land acquisition of fertile farmland. His appeal came after the government issued a notification to acquire 499 acres across 3 villages in Ramanagara and Harohalli taluks, prompting farmers to announce a protest on June 22nd. In his letter, Vijayendra accused the Congress of hypocrisy, stating that Rahul Gandhi campaigns across the country to protect farmers while the Congress government in Karnataka is allegedly ignoring their interests. He described the project as a government land grab and claimed that residents of more than 25 villages have been protesting against it for over 470 days, with more than 3,500 small and marginal farmers submitting objections. He argued that the land is highly fertile, supplying milk, vegetables and fruits to Bengaluru while also producing coconut, areca nut and bananas. He further warned that the project could damage the ecosystem surrounding the 1,000-acre Mangala Lake. Meanwhile, JDS leader Nikhil Kumaraswamy announced that his party would organize a protest involving 26 villages on June 21st. In a separate letter to Rahul Gandhi, he alleged that the state government had bypassed the right to fair compensation and transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2013. He also claimed that the township would require the cutting down of at least 10 lakh trees and noted that around 50% of the affected farmers depend on horticulture and silk rearing for their livelihoods. Former Chief Minister and Union Minister for Heavy Industries and Steel H.D. Kumaraswamy further alleged that the government was seeking a 12,000 crore rupees loan from Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited to finance the land acquisition process, and claimed that compensation had not yet been paid to several farmers who had agreed to surrender their land. He also accused the Congress government of conspiring with private real estate interests in pushing the project. The controversy surrounding the GBIT project continues to intensify, with opposition parties and farmers raising concerns over land acquisition, environmental impact, and the livelihoods of thousands of rural families. And also, protests against the project are ongoing, with affected farmers and local residents continuing their agitation and demanding that the government to withdraw the land acquisition process and protect the region's fertile agricultural land and ecological balance.
ಹಿಂದೆ ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರೇ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1,000 ಎಕರೆನ ಈಗ ಅಕ್ವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿರ್ಗಾ KDB ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಡದಿ ಟೌನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? ಬಿಡದಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೌನ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? ಹಾರೋಳಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೌನ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? ಆ ಜಮೀನು ರೈತರು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ರೈತರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಪ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಾಜಕಾರಣ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರಾಜಕಾರಣ ಮಾಡಿ.